Oh, easy crew. Thank goodness you come. Cause me think something bad going down. Me was sipping me breakfast tea just now when me hear this loud rumbling sound. At the orphanage, them also get rumbled. And me not have no hint of a clue what would cause this kind of disturbance. That's why me a call on you.
Hold tight, Whisley Dale. Me and the crew will get on it straight away. Let's go see who else got rumbled. We'll check on the orphanage first.
Thanks, Rastamouse.
Easy, Bandulu. Tell me about the rumbles you guys heard this morning.
Sure, me heard rumbles. Them orphans thought it was me belly. But me belly don't make strange sounds like that. Talking of strange, me did see some woman snooping round Nattie Hill last night. Then she come snooping round the orphanage.
What was strange about her?
She had this funny beeping gadget that make a noise like beep, beep, beep. And then she walk off to follow that noise.
Interesting. Let's go, easy crew. Yo, Bagatee, did you hear all that rumbling this morning?
Baga was gonna chill, cook a meal, walk Nattie Hill, when me heard what sounded like Fats. Drill.
It can't be Fats causing the rumbles with his drill, can it?
Me no know. Let's go find out what Fats is saying. Thanks, Bagatee. See you later, man.
Laters, easy crew.
What's up, Fats?
Yo, Rastamouse.
You hear about the rumbles today?
Sure, man.
Well, Bagatee says it sounds just like your drill. I mean, reckon this drilling is what's causing these strange rumbles.
Wasn't me, Rastamouse. Me lent me drill to this sister yesterday.
We are available on free-to-air and everywhere. DSTV, channel 311, GoTV, channel 91, StarTimes Pang, channel 105, and on Zuku, channel 602. We are also available on Safaricom Base and on K24 Plus app.